So we're just booking into Aduar Pension. Lady said something going on with her dog. It's alright, just a little room. Nice little alleyway. It's literally just around the corner from the monkey room. So that'll do, €50, sweet. Back on my phone again, we've just checked into this little room. I'm a fucking child. 3 beds, I'm not allowed guests back, she said. What? Paid for 3 beds, bruv. But anyway, yeah, I'll have a little show you. Alright, it's come out with a banger. And I am in some shoddy part of town, bruv. I'll proper staring me out wondering what I'm doing there. I mean, the banger is what I'm doing, just saying. Fuck me, I ain't got a set of steps up here. That'll do. That'll be where they all hang out, isn't it? Oh, let's have a... Maybe not. It's a gather shop. Oh, I think we'll be alright here. Anyway, Spanish gather shop. Nice little bit. I think this is I think this is where the homies hang out. But it's pretty cool, man. Marbella, this is happening. I've no idea what it is. Everyone's in flowery dresses. Food and that. Everyone's dancing in the day. I have no idea what this is, but pretty good. Probably have a little walk up. Hola, what's the difference?
Ahumada y blanca, brasur y ahumada.
My first time, which one?
That's German sausage there. And he told the Spanish man to have that one there. That's what he said. Yes,
I'll take this one here, please.
They're a bit like,
yeah, please.
They're a bit like hot dogs.
Oh, that's more like a sausage.
Yeah.
I've had German, so they're lovely.
Yeah, Spanish man is
Gracias.
What is called?
Oh, right, I'm with you, yeah.
Because he weren't very helpful. Well, not helpful, just people.
Language, yeah. Ah, is this okay? Ah, good, yeah. Say hello. Hola. Hola. Nice people in Spain. Well, we haven't done really that much today. Sun's really nice over there. Sea's good. A bit bored today, if I'm honest. Gonna have to get to work, I think. Just in my favourite chicken shop. I'll show you when it comes out. It's pretty nice. Talk about quarter 9, I ain't even got a room yet. There's one up the road, but I'm not too sure about it. I'll let you know in a minute, one sec. So we're, alright. Well, yeah, our hotel. Where the hell is our hotel? Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, pick our stuff here and walk around the corner. Right, so we found ourselves, I'm not sure if I've done this already, on the roof terrace. It's my little room. That'll do, isn't it? Got me a little roof terrace, no one's been up here at all yet. But, there's something going on over, there's some sort of festival going on, but I've hit a bit of the wall the last couple of days, if I'm honest. So I'm a little bit knackered. Little plant pots. Got the cleaning lady out there. She's probably not going to want to say hello. But yeah, I realised that we were, here's the hotel, we was downstairs the other day, remember, with the 3 beds. And then we was in that one, the monkey room, the other day. Just gonna have a little stroll now, I'm absolutely knackered, but so much going on, I've got to have a look. Who the fuck needs an home solarium here, bro? Mental. I don't know if I'm just fucking losing my mind this morning. Good morning. Not too sure what's going on. There's cabins and all things out about. Not sure if they realise we've got cars now. It's 2022. Must be fucking baking, but not sure what's going on. I don't really give a fuck, if I'm honest. Yeah. Don't know what's going on. Does Spanish even have royalty? I'm not sure. So, another day, another room. Mate, he's booked me room out. Cheers, bruv. Have a look for Hostel Paco. Good morning. Someone on top of the ladder. Right, should we see what today brings us? Packing again. Oh, yeah. And this happened. This was like sparking last night, so I've had no electric. I complained, they said it's never happened before. Alright, sweet. Probably the worst hotel I've been in so far, to be fair. Good morning. We have found ourselves another hotel. I would say good morning, but it's 3:30. You have breakfast here and it's 7 o'clock. I just can't work all that out, if I'm honest. I can't get my body clock right. But we've got ourselves a little room, a bath, watch the old Chad later. I've already had a shit. And we got me another little balcony. Another little balcony outside the castle, which is useless apparently. Good morning. She's looking for any excuse to dump me. That's alright, we've been here before. Anyway, yeah, we'll do a little vlog today. Not sure what about, but I'm sure, got all these flies. I'm sure we'll think of something.
What?
Little vlog.
Vlog?
Yeah, gotta show them where I am. Just getting her stuff ready. I'm the gopher.
Okay, so that's 1, that's 2.
Little jerk. Outside area. She's moaning again. She's moaning again.
Yeah, because the car is so dirty and I washed it yesterday.
Just pull past the garage and I'll jet wash it down quick. Where are we going?
Puente Romano.
I said, what a nice hotel.
This is the most luxurious place in Marbella. On the Golden Mile.
Yeah,
The apartments there, 3-bedroom apartments for like 10 million euros.
Do you reckon they'll take £1,000 in cash? Do you think they may take £1,000 in cash?
Yeah.
Do you reckon? I can offer. I can offer.
Well, the cash is king. So
Cash is king. Right. Sure. Nice urbanisation. Right, so say that again, what is it called?
Puente Romano.
Puente Romano.
Puente Romano. La Puente Romano.
On the mountain? Is he the mobster?
No, the mobster has a Maybach.
The mobster. Hey, what?
The mobster has a Maybach.
A Maybach? Has he really? Come on, let me go and drive it. He'll let me drive it. I'll slap his belly again. I'll say to him, give me that little Maybach there for 5 minutes, bro. Right, tell me again, we're at Puente Romano or something.
Puente Romano.
Puente Romano. And yeah, he's got a £70 million gaffer. How much?
It's got like 5 people living, like staff living in the house.
Yeah.
Like cleaning, like nanny, cleaning lady, cook, driver, and the gardener.
How the other half live, eh?
Their house. He says to me that he has no privacy in his house, like with some random people living there.
Yeah.
He's sick of it. He's like, I go to the kitchen and there's like 5 people that I don't even know, like living in my house. But the wife hires them.
Yeah. Oh, of course, yeah. I bet you don't.
This is the hotel.
Alright, there we go.
Let's see, Puente Romano. It's the most luxurious.
How much is a room in here? Standard rooms though?
I don't know actually. You have also the Nobu Hotel, Puente Romano and Nobu.
Yeah.
And here, have you never been here?
I've never been in this bit, no.
You have like, I don't know how many restaurants and everything inside.
Yeah, it's nice.
This
Is this like a complex for the rich then, basically, right?
Yeah.
If you've got loads of money. Oh look, what's that? Oh, it's not a Lambo, is it? Oh, it is a Lambo, isn't it? No, it ain't. No, it's a McLaren, yeah. What am I talking about? I don't know why I said what am I talking about, as if I know about McLarens and Lambos, but anyway, in a bit. I've got to say one thing though, babe. I've got to say one thing. You're not going to like it, but you can't fucking drive.
What? I'm hangovers.
Well, it's just today.
What do you mean I can't drive?
You've got a lovely, lovely car, but...
What do you mean I can't drive? I drove here from Estonia, like, I don't know how many times.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait somewhere here.
Yeah. The richest hotel in the world, apparently. Out of a snout. Pretty good, though. Yeah. Confident. Spin properly, that's it. Now turn around and properly smile.
Okay.
here now for the last couple of nights. And down now, gonna go and have a potato. Is this alright?
Ah, okay.
Camera? Yeah, it's alright.
It's viaje, ¿cómo era?
Take your time. Take your time.
Okay.
It's on my YouTube. I'll tell you.
YouTube?
Yeah. I don't have to put it on.
The name of channel?
I'll write it down for you.
Okay. Say me.
Yeah. It'd be good.
Tell me.
Yeah. Sam.
Sam?
S-A-M.
Yes.
Versus V-E-R.
V-E-O.
No, E-R for Romeo. Let me write.
Okay.
Nearly. Okay. Right, one sec.
Some days, no? Here. Some days you?
Yeah.
Here, in Marbella.
Yeah, 3 weeks now.
3 weeks.
We've been here and
It's cute. Marbella, it's cute.
yeah. I'm gonna live here now. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna live here. Yeah.
Okay, this is the name of YouTube channel.
Yeah, it should come up. It's not. I'm not big.
No?
It's a small channel.
It's a little subscriptors.
Yeah, small.
Okay.
But hope to get big.
Don't worry, okay.
It'll be good. My videos are quite good. Yes, please.
The graph? No?
Huh?
Graph?
Photograph.
Okay.
It's, that you can see.
Oh!
Video.
Cool.
Yeah.
Tomato only tomato.
Tomato, cheese and ham,
Cheese
please.
and ham, okay.
Please. Another room. Just been staying. Absolute joke. Enrique Hostel. So I'm just moving back round to Pension, I don't know, Aduar or something. But yeah. Back here. We've seen each other a few times now. I think he's sick of me. Our old number room, 06. Now in 08. Pretty cozy.